I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but I know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next out. I get here. I look in my eyes, I still love you. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it sounds close. I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the point I get with your perfect keys. Now I'm in a phase, man. Right now on vacation. Now you lay your face down. I've been saying over every. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'll be in there. Just to tell me there's a right. And I just want you. Killed my ex, I still love you. Rather be more than alone.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No, no friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share, but they call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been out alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name, you like to count the state today. Baby, you are the Saturday. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moved slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just tryna find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. Because we wanna hide no more. Rush that side no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. And no one is around you. Say baby I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl.
I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know. Oh, whoa, can't do nothing. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blood outside with the stage. It was just saying, it was that way. Turn back if we go crazy. See what you respectful, yeah. If I slide, but if I just press my hands, yeah. Spin like that, but you know that nothing must be stressful. Talk the talk, but what can back it up? You can't let go. You say me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that. No matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. That's how the time to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky, so you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be white cause I said so. Going, turn, I swear crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't my revenge, but now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know.
Yo, welcome back. Another morning, Tuesday. I'm actually eyeing up the setup. That goat is in right now. So we'll go ahead and mark this out. Do that first this morning, just in case we get something to pop off. Then do my top-down analysis. In the 4 hour, we're in nothing. Price is just cutting through. The 1 hour, we have nothing. We got a support here. Took out yesterday's high already during London session, it looks like. Jump down to our 15 minute. It's a 15 minute demand we're popping off of. So we gotta think about that. Especially when we're in this 5 minute area here. See if we can scale this down. Nope, not scalable, but just something to watch out for. There's a setup underneath it. It's a little too far to go. Got a 5 minute right here. So maybe if we blow through this zone, that's something to watch out for. Possibly hop into. And it looks like that's all for that. Let's check out news right now. Today is the 23rd. We have yellow folder news at 8:30. We don't really have anything to watch out for, which is good. Let's check out the DXY. Looks like it's tapping into a demand setup. Bouncing off of that area right there. So I'm actually getting ready to hop in this setup. I know it's a little early, however, that is the only setup besides the one above it. And there's still not a break of candle on it. So still a possibility to get in. Just have to be careful because we are coming off that 15 minute demand. So we don't want this to fake out. Our stop loss is a little bigger than usual. About 3 pips bigger. Which in gold, that's about 0.30. I'm actually going to end up passing on this because it looks like we would have missed. Looking back at it now. Tapped first here in London session. Gave a break a candle. It was immediately a fake out. And then it just tapped again for a break, another break a candle. So we did miss entry. So I'm gonna keep it marked up. Just keep an eye on it. I'm kind of hoping we get something else. Hopefully we get a play off of here. Just be a little harder because we'll be bouncing off the 200. Something tells me the DXY is about to shoot up. Coming off a nice demand area. And that support of yesterday's high. Which price usually likes to reject off of in this nice uptrend. So that'd be a nice uptrend. We'll just wait for that to push up to maybe see if gold wants to go down. Check my higher time frames trending. Overall, we're in a downtrend. We're kind of cutting through price there on the 15-minute. On the 1 hour, we were just cutting through price again, but we were underneath. Oh, this is the 1 hour. Yep, we were underneath our EMAs. And then on a 4 hour, we're just consolidating again. So something to keep in mind for sure. This is a nice demand off the 15-minute. Good strong rejections. Nothing closing their zone. Break a candle would be about where price is now, but about 30 minutes ago. And I believe you might have caught your one-on-one. Let's mark it out and see how it's playing right now. No, got some ways for the one-on-one there. I'll back down to the 5-minute. So zone already tapped, faked out. And then if you got in the second entry, you're currently just bouncing around your entry. Sitting in probably a little bit of drawdown. With the 13, you're bouncing off your 13 EMA there. And again, I'm waiting for the DXY to probably shoot up there. I feel safer taking this setup up here. See where it's at on the 15-minute. It's kind of in the middle of price action. So taking this is like betting, kind of betting that it will come back down and validate this zone, or at least reach that zone again. But the way price is moving right now, it's not really showing anything. Well, let's do that. Give a quick peek at NAS. Alright, NAS just came off of a demand. Mark that out. So just looking at this, looks like NAS is moving, it's trending. It's also in consolidation as you see prices. Mark this up. EMAs are cutting through price. And the up and down movement you could tell by popping off this demand and also coming up to this supply and reacting off of that. Which, let's see, tapped zone. Your breaking candle would have been in right here. Looks like it was an immediate fake out, so it took you out exactly right after you got in. So nothing quite on NAS yet. 15-minute. Bounce off another 15-minute demand here. what the 1 hour is looking like. Looks like it's creating a 1 hour demand. Maybe we'll break some structure here, break these equal highs, and then come back down to this 15-minute. That's a possible play. Looks like it's about to break through this zone and invalidate that. Oh, it looks like my boxes disappeared. It's alright, we'll just remark this out. So we got the 5-minute supply we're looking at. Come out for the 15-minute demand. I'm not playing this 15-minute demand, I'm just marking it out to see how price reacted off of it, and to see where it goes, especially when it's facing against that 5-minute supply. So it looks like the 1 hour reacted off of a 1 hour supply in London. And then I'm pretty sure the 4 hour we didn't have anything. Nope. So price is still rocky to start off the year. Hopefully we get something. Today being Tuesday, I'm kinda expecting something to jump off. What is this, a 15-minute? We could look for a, I think I'm banking on the supply here. We could look for another 5-minute demand setup popping off of this 15-minute. If it does come up here and invalidate this, the way the EMAs are showing on our 5-minute, hopefully we get a wick to come up here and reject, showing just like this, bouncing off for area and bouncing off for EMAs. That'd be a good trade to hop into. Let's mark this out. This is the demand that NAS is popping off of, and then see they have everything on the 5-minute. It's also jumping off of this 5-minute demand. See, we could trade the DXY. This would actually be a perfect trade, because you know you're bouncing off of our one, you know we're in an uptrend, so you're most definitely looking for buys. And then two, you're also jumping off of this yesterday daily high, this green line here. So this is when I would load up the lot size and be a little bit more confident in taking. But off the 5-minute, looks like it's already got its 1-to-1 for sure. So it could either come up, take out London's high, or as it's slowing down right now, it may want to reverse, which is what we'll see on coming up here. Turn that back to 15 minutes. Gold's just moving sideways to start off our New York session here. Got about 15 more minutes until 8 o'clock. Hopefully we get a little bit more up movement to come to our zone. Because besides this zone that is already created in the London session, That's currently sitting in. We don't really got anything else. Marking this out, we got a bunch of liquidity down here. Those would become some kind of long wicks for a liquidity grab. But I just know when price gets probably through here. This is like an 8 o'clock or 8:15 or 8:30 candle. It may start to move sideways or reverse. So at the moment we're just waiting, see what price wants to do here. Some relatively small candles. Go ahead and let him in here. No. Looks like price wants to go up a little bit more. Looking at our 15-minute, all we have is this demand. Not really gaps up above. See if London session had any setups. That gap got closed. Possible setup here. Intrude here. Came down to smack your 101. Got your pretty good setup. Came down. Broke. No, didn't break this low. But it came down, poked this low. So kind of had equal lows to fight through. Probably starting to shoot up a little bit. Hopefully it just invalidates the zone and gets it out of the way. We'll see what it does come up on the EMAs. The XY kind of exhausted off of that demand. Only thing is, if we do come up to this area here, we'd be breaking structure up to the upside, so we gotta be careful that doesn't want to continue up to a uptrend. We would break this high and this high. That's two highs broken to get to a supply. Get about 10 minutes to see. That would have been your entry. That is the most recent breaking candle, starting from our starting zone at 7:30. So I did want to hop in this trade. I got in there. EMA is above, or stop loss above, and then you're running one there. The way price is reacting, it's like it was a good one to hold out on. It's rejecting strong off of this 13 EMA there. Now we'd be sitting close to our stop loss, which it very well could reverse from here still and go in favor. I had a trade like that last week. This exact same thing happened, and then the next candle decided to shoot down. And then would have hit our stop loss in that same candle. So that was a good loss to avoid there. The XY is starting to go down. So I could for sure see gold start to hop back up. As it starts to come down, gold should start shooting up a little bit more. Hopefully when we hit our 13 EMA here on DXY, make this a little bigger. Hopefully when we hit this 13 EMA and our daily high line, it uses it as support to where it bounces off and starts to go back up. And at the same time, we're hoping that gold finally hits our targeted area there, starts to come back down. There's also demand underneath here. So we're hoping that at the same time, either A hits here or it hits this demand to where it wants to reverse and be our confluence for gold. Right now the EMAs are in our favor, so we're hoping we just get wicks and no body candles closing above the 250. This zone's invalid. Tapped our zone. Shot up there pretty quick. Now I wouldn't get a break a candle here because what? That's like double what our go-to supply zone or go-to stop loss is. So we may just get invalidated here. Have to wait for another setup. But hopefully this is a small candle. A small candle that's bearish, which looks like it's just shooting up. Before this to still be valid, we wanted to come back out of our zone and then give us a break of candle. That break of candle ending or finishing underneath our EMAs there. Get on our 15-minute. Price is rejecting or reacting off this nicely. I think you finally got your 101. Let's work it back up. Yep. So not very candle, single candle. Get your 101 off the 15-minute. This candle's looking good. I'd like for it to finish close to our 200 EMA there. So hopefully that our 8 o'clock EMA, 8 o'clock candle could drive past this. Get rid of this 15-minute box. Or this candle would break through our 200. So we don't want us to get a break of candle, it bounce off of our EMAs here, then go back up. This is still a very, very, very small stop loss. Our average is around there, so we got some room to play with. DXY starting to reject about that same zone there. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. We did break those two highs, so we gotta keep an eye out for that. Minute 30 left. See, this candle's approaching that 200, so let's see how it reacts off of that. That's nice. We'll close like right there, a little bit further. Now it's starting to reject off of it. Instead of aggressive entry, I think we're going to be safe here. Wait for the break candle. So if we get in 30 seconds, get prepared for that. So got some good room to play around with. Let's see. 2 seconds left on this one. Price shot right up. Now we just wait to see if it wants to keep going up to invalidate the zone, or possibly give us a break of candle. A MetaTrader is bouncing off its 200 EMA. So that's what that rejection is. We'll mark out the zone on MetaTrader so we can see that if it does invalidate it, get a better picture of it. Just very close to the top of our box. Check the EMAs real quick on our higher time frame. 15 minutes starting to show bullish now. In the 1 hour, we're kind of, our smaller EMAs are showing bullish, but we're wedged in between. And it's cutting straight through price. Meaning no promises of where price wants to go. But as the DXY starts to shoot back down, that's where gold got that push up. We're able to get some momentum towards the end of this candle. Probably up. If it ends up this high, it'll probably just invalidate with the next candle. If it doesn't do it with this one. And hopefully for our sakes, it keeps rejecting off of the MetaTrader 200 EMA. Got about 30 seconds left on this candle. And that's why we also wait for break of candle for entry. So I would have gotten aggressive here around any of this candle or towards the end here. And the next candle reversed immediately and would have took you out. Now our new stop loss is a little above 1%. So just a note that if we do take a loss, if we do get a break of candle entry and a loss, it'll be a little bigger than usual there. Hopefully the DXY keeps rejecting off of. Probably get some more momentum. Big candles around 8:15 with that whole 8 to 8:30 price action is a war zone. I also like it because that's what usually drives our price. Another little pointer: if you use MetaTrader or if you use TradingView, if you take your entries off of anything else, like I'm using MetaTrader to take my entries off of, when you get to your zone and you're about to hop into trade, don't watch TradingView and then immediately switch over and enter there, because it's going to give you two different price actions. So when you get to like when we hopped in our zone here, I immediately started watching my price action on my MetaTrader, because that's what I'm taking my entry off of. So as you can tell on TradingView, it lags a little bit. It's like where I'm thinking my entries here, this might have spiked back up already. If I just click sell, it would have got me in a whole wacky position, in an easily avoidable area. So right now I'm just watching my TradingView for hopefully entry, and then the DXY, and I'll glance at the TradingView a little bit, or I'm watching my MetaTrader. I think I said TradingView. I'm watching my MetaTrader and my DXY on my TradingView, and I'm glancing at the TradingView gold just a little easier to see price and moving the charts around. DXY is starting to melt down, so I wouldn't be surprised if gold shot right up. But now we're at the support line, so maybe we get a wick off of that. Getting close to entry, reject. Rejected off the 13 there though. $45 seconds left on this candle. Get an entry here. So we're wedged in between two EMAs there. So I keep an eye out as it may want to move sideways, or there's no promise of where price wants to move. So I'll get a break of candle on this candle. Not quite. Entry. loss above. See how big that zone is. 75, alright. That 177. So now, mark it up on my trading view, so it's easier to see a little bit with the colors. See what exact entry was. So we got in around 2025.71. Alright, so we're currently in this trade now. Got about 3 minutes to that 8:15 candle. 8:15 candle will probably show us a little bit more of what price wants to do. If it shoots up, I'll get out and just cut my loss early. Hopefully we get it to melt and just shoot down. Also wish MetaTrader had the time like it did in TradingView. Because then I'll just use TradingView or MetaTrader when I have to worry about TradingView. Got in this trade about 8:11, 8:12 there. So as far as timing, we got some good time coming up. Like how the DXY is starting to reject off our zone there, our daily high. Got good confluence of that. About 45 seconds left on this candle. So I have my exit as far as TP already planned out. In my head, I already know where I'm getting out if we need to cut the loss. Which is a little tricky because it's our purple line here, our 200 EMA. So we gotta watch what price does around there and be quick. Because if it looks like it wants to blow through, but it looks like it wants to reject, just gotta sit on our hands. 3 seconds left. Let's see. about 3 minutes left on this candle. Alright, so DXY is going to push up when we're at that 200. See how it reacts off of it. Maybe it wicks. Or it didn't go offset. Yes, sir, LT. Thanks for stopping by. Alright, spreads took us out. Which I'm not too mad about because this trade looks like it was going to go up anyways. Watch a little bit before I mark it up in my journal. Because if it doesn't invalidate my zone and it comes down to break this candle, I may get in for a re-entry. It's a nice rejection off that zone there. Looking how these candles ended. Looks like it's still DXY might push up. So it would have been a loss anyways. See, you don't have any setups to look out for. Just mark this up in my journal there. Let's say the 23rd. So, perfect trade. Yes, we followed all the rules. That caps. Winner challenge. This price actually not really messing with us this week. I see. Let's see. So for my reflection, we'll type out, we waited for break a candle, followed all rules. Trade just didn't go our way. perfectly fine. Can't be mad at a loss like that when you know you followed the rules. It's all part of the game there. I'm gonna see where, I know we got taken out by spreads. Instead of price tapping it. Took about a, took about a little over a 1% loss there. Besides that, Go doesn't really have any setups that's shown right now. We'll type in my, just to note, in my reflection, we did come off of a 15-minute demand. Because as we see that, we're hoping for reversal off of our 5-minute to counter the 15-minute. As we see the 15 minutes just riding out there. This has a wick in front of it, so that's not a valid zone to mark out. If it keeps going up, there is nothing for us there. As far as liquidity grab, the only thing that we have is down low. Let's check out NAS. So NAS validated the supply. Didn't give you that liquidity grab. It has a demand here. And it has a demand here. Out of all 3 of these, I like this one the most because we have a 15-minute and a 5-minute. Not within each other, but stacked. So I know we invalidate the 15. There's a chance it was liquidity grab on the 15 to tap the 5-minute zone. But NAS might just ride out for the rest of the day. This is UK 30. I need US 30. Or not US 30, US 100. So added NAS to my trading there. Instead of 1.66 lots, it should be 1.5. So for every 10, we should get 150. Go ahead, split these up. put gold here, see if gold does anything. It's wicking like it's taking liquidity, but there's no like clear liquidity grab. Only like I'm at the major swing high and swing low, so I need the liquidity grab up here or down here. So there's nothing really going on much here. Is there something, Martin? Let's see. Gold's still shooting up. I mean, it's nasty. It's probably gonna keep shooting up. Holy moly. It's 828. Major validity just hopped in the markets there. Right now I'm looking at NAS. I'll put gold to the side here. So with that candle there, it looks like I'm really not about to get anything left on that. But with NAS still shooting up, I probably won't get anything till 9:30 when the market opens. With no possible setups with either one here. We got some with NAS, but that won't happen until later. Which I'll keep an eye on that. And then so I'm gonna end up close up shop here as far as the live stream. If you follow me on social media, I'll post my results at the end of the trading day, sometime around 11 or 12. Because I may hop into NAS later. Keep an eye out on that. Around 9:30, 9:40. See what the market open does. Yeah, because we got a few possible setups there. Compared to gold, where everything is just wonky. Tomorrow's the 24th. Get ready for that. Wednesday. Usually are reversal days. But with gold consolidation. In consolidation, there's nothing to really reverse there. Right now, we took a loss this morning. Hopefully, I can get it back later on throughout the day. If not, I'll just stay off the charts and shoot to get it back tomorrow or Thursday. I believe that's all I have. If you got any questions, drop it in the comment box. You can follow me on social medias. You can always shoot me a DM. I think I'm gonna start working on a beginner's course for free on YouTube, just so that if we get people, because I do have a couple people hit me up and asking for some tips, so I might as well just do that. And we can also have some more people. If they watch that, they can always hop on the live stream and understand a little bit more. Because I know I probably talk a little bit gibberish to if you're just starting out. So I'm gonna probably work on that this weekend or next. Hopefully drop sometime in February there. So we're doing production on that. Besides that, have a good day. See you tomorrow morning. Hop back on the charts. Take care.